Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for our overall well-being, but something many of us struggle with: getting a good night's sleep. In our busy lives, it's easy to push sleep to the back burner, but trust me, quality sleep is like magic for your body and mind. And the great news is, there are some wonderful, natural ways to help you drift off to dreamland more easily. First off, let's talk about creating a sleep-friendly environment. Think of your bedroom as your sleep sanctuary. You want it to be dark, quiet, and cool. Even tiny bits of light from electronics can disrupt your sleep, so try to block them out. A comfortable mattress and pillows also make a huge difference. It's about signaling to your body that this is the place where it can truly relax and shut down for the night. Next up, consider what you're consuming before bed. While a nightcap might seem tempting, alcohol can actually disrupt your sleep cycle later in the night. And caffeine, found in coffee, tea, and even some sodas, can stay in your system for hours, keeping you wide awake. Try to cut off caffeine several hours before bedtime. Instead, opt for a warm, calming drink like herbal tea. Chamomile and valerian root teas are especially famous for their sleep-inducing properties. They contain compounds that can help relax your nervous system. Then, there's the power of routine. Our bodies love predictability, and that includes when we go to sleep and wake up. Trying to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, helps to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. It's like training your body to know when it's time to wind down. Adding a relaxing pre-sleep routine can also be incredibly helpful. Maybe a warm bath, reading a book, not on a screen, or some gentle stretching. And finally, let's talk about mindfulness and relaxation. Sometimes it's not our body that keeps us awake, but our busy minds racing with thoughts. Practices like deep breathing exercises or a simple meditation can help quiet that mental chatter. Just focusing on your breath for a few minutes can be incredibly calming. There are also gentle yoga stretches that can release tension in your body, preparing it for rest. So, by setting up your sleep space, being mindful of what you consume, sticking to a routine, and calming your mind, you can naturally improve your chances of getting that restorative sleep you deserve. Give some of these natural remedies a try, and you might just find yourself waking up feeling more refreshed and energized than ever before. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.